पढ़ पढ़ इल्म ते फाज़ल हो।
आप सब आजाद हैं अपने मंदिरों में जाने के लिए। आप सब आजाद हैं अपनी मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए और किसी भी और इबादतगाह में जाने के लिए। इस ममलिकत पाकिस्तान में आपका ताल्लुक किसी भी मजहब, जात या अकीदे से हो, ममलिकत का इससे कोई सरोकार नहीं।
ते कदे अपने आप नूं पढ़िया ना।
Pakistan, the rich cultural country and a melting pot of prominent traditions. Pakistan has a composed history of art and cultures, historical artifacts that reflect religions, languages, and of course, its authentic food. As a multicultural nation, Pakistan is one of the most recognizable countries around the world.
शैतान दे नाल ते कदे नफ्स अपने नाल लड़िया ना। ओ बुल्ले शाह आसमानी उड़दियां पढ़ो नए ते जेड़ा घर बैठा ओनू पढ़िया ना।
You will see passion, hard work, simplicity and hospitality in Pakistanis. You will find the richness of art and culture in the traditional clothing worn in different regions of Pakistan. It's not just materials sewn together, but there is a meaning behind its making. Shalwar kameez is a national dress for both men and women of Pakistan, whereas all 5 provinces have their own unique cultural dress codes. Pakistan is widely known for its food culture, where Punjab, the most populated province of Pakistan, is best known for its desi food that is famous not only in Pakistan but all around the world. Money is temporary, but lassi is permanent in Pakistan, a refreshing cold beverage made from yogurt. Halwa puri, paratha, pie, naan chane are few of the main and most delicious breakfasts of Pakistan. Chai, the most wanted hot beverage, is the highlight of evening gatherings, and it has its own significance in Pakistani culture.
सोना यार दसेंदा सन घायल करके मुड़ खबर ना लैया सानू घायल करके मुड़ खबर ना लैया तेरे इश्क नचाया कर थैया 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 तेरे इश्क नचाया कर थैया 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 तेरे इश्क नचाया कर थैया 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 तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो
Biryani is the most mouth-watering savory dish, full of spices with delicious taste.
लहरों से डरना क्या गहराई में जितना भी जाऊं गहराई में हो गहराई में जितना भी जाऊं तुझको पास मैं उतना ही पाऊं जिससे दरिया का पानी जीवन दे उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया उसे
Looking at the traditional jewelry of Pakistan, it has been made of heavy gold, but recently artificial jewelry has taken over the pure metal. Living in Pakistan and not falling to admire the architectural and artistic beauty is impossible. It is a perfect place to live and explore. People of Pakistan living in other countries are still connected to their roots through their cultural influences. Pakistan is a country that we have earned after many sacrifices. Therefore, we are proud of being a Pakistani. Pakistan Zindabad.